For those instances where pest issues arise, think of the acronym ICE. ICE is a problem-solving strategy with 3 steps: I for identify, C for control, and E for eliminate. First, identify. Your pest control professional will perform regular inspections of your facility. However, every employee should receive training on known pests and how to identify pest issues. Not every pest comes in with ingredients or from outside sources, but many originate just outside the facility and gain access through doors, windows, or other openings. The more eyes that are watching for signs of pest issues, the better. Employees should have a basic understanding of what to look for, including access points and environments in which pests thrive. Employees should understand the importance of reporting any pest sightings to the relevant parties. Second, control. When an issue is discovered, the next step is to determine what immediate steps need to be taken to protect product from contamination. Take those steps immediately or ensure that your pest control provider is doing so. Third, eliminate. Short-term removal of the threat is insufficient. An investigation into the cause of the pest issue should lead to additional measures that can be taken to prevent the issue from reoccurring. Often the solution is not to use pesticide, but rather to correct a cleaning schedule or make improvements to the facility. For example, permanently sealing a hole in the exterior wall where insects are breeding is a far better solution than injecting pesticide every week. Again, a pest control professional can be invaluable in getting to the source of the pest risk and eliminating it.